Learn how to use the preposition among. Among means surrounded by somebody or something, or in the middle of something. Most people think happiness is found among the colorful flowers of a garden. Hardworking people find happiness among their colleagues at work. Peace-loving people find happiness in small villages nestled among the rolling hills of the countryside. Scientists find satisfaction conducting research among other scientists. I think the key to happiness can be found among the books on library shelves. Take a moment to read the following sentences and put the words in the correct order. Pause the video if you need more time. The sentences read, "Beauty is found among the flowers of a garden. Colleagues enjoy working among other hardworking people. Readers can be found among the books of the library." What are some traits that can be found among successful people? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.